I'm from webloaded.com.
That's good.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Veeriya, and if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and never forget to press the bell button. Okay, in today's video I'm gonna create this no foundation makeup look, which is quick and easy. I've created this look for every college going girls and for office going girls out there. The products that I have used in this video are super affordable. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, let's get started. I'm gonna be using CC cream and concealer with it. That's what I do. Since CC cream has no much coverage, I do mix concealer along with it. On next step, I'm gonna be blending my face using the color bar sponge. Do blend it properly you guys, otherwise it's gonna look made up, so blend it properly. And it's a time for compact now. I'm using this Stray Quickies compact powder. This powder has good coverage. I'm spreading all over my face. After powdering your face, use the blender and dab your face again. I haven't shown that in my video, but this is what actually I have done, so that your face doesn't look cakey. I don't use wing liners on daily basis, so I'm gonna get done with my brows and I'm gonna use kajal. That's it. The next step is mascara, and it's my favorite part because it looks your eyes a little bit wider. I'm gonna be using this Maybelline New York Hyper Curl mascara. And for my lips, I'm going to be using the Nykaa Matte to Last mini liquid lipstick in the shade Bombay. Now I'm going to pat my lipstick using my finger. This shade gives a natural look onto my lips. Whatever there on my finger, gonna pat on my cheeks and blend them using my sponge. And that's it. Okay guys, and that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to follow me on social media handles like Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Until next time, bye.